In draw.io, you can easily add custom shapes to your canvas, making it a great tool for diagrams with corporate logos, employee headshots, and custom icons. In this video, you'll learn the different ways to add and store custom shapes in draw.io for Confluence Cloud. The quickest way to add a custom shape is to drag it directly onto your canvas. If you have custom images or XML shape files on your device, you can simply drag and drop them anywhere on your canvas. You can also go to File, Import From, then Device to select your files. If you found a shape library online, you can import it directly without downloading by going to File, Open Library From, URL, and pasting your link. If you have specific icons or shapes that you use frequently, you can store them in the Scratchpad. If you don't see the Scratchpad in your editor, you can make it visible by going to View and then Scratchpad. To add shapes to your Scratchpad, you can simply click a shape and drag it to the Scratchpad, or you can click the plus sign on the Scratchpad after you've selected your shape. You can also add multiple elements to the Scratchpad at once. To do that, click on all the elements that you want to add to your Scratchpad while holding down the Command or Control key. Once you have them selected, right-click and go to group them all together, and then you can drag it to your Scratchpad or again hit the plus sign on the Scratchpad. Once you do this, you'll be able to drag all of those elements back to your canvas as one custom shape. If you want more information on the Scratchpad, we have a specific YouTube video and a blog post all about it, and we'll link both of those in the description. Also, if you're enjoying this video so far, please make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. For greater control over how a shape behaves, like how it scales or where the connectors attach, you can edit shapes by using XML. To do this, select a shape on your canvas, go to Arrange, Insert, then Shape to open the Edit Shape dialog box. And finally, if you have a collection of shapes, logos, and images that you want to share with your team, you can export them all as a custom shape library in Confluence Cloud. Admins can also share custom shapes and libraries with specific users or specific teams or across your entire organization to keep your brand assets up to date. We'll also add a link in our description to a step-by-step guide on how to create custom libraries. That wraps up our video on how to add custom shapes in draw.io. You should now be able to customize your diagrams with all the custom shapes, icons, and images of your liking. Be sure to subscribe for more draw.io tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy diagramming.